for stopping by and checking out my channel. I hope something on my channel you enjoy. But the topic of today. Now, this car is known for being low maintenance. And if it not known for that, it should be. I've only done on this car, I got this July 2020, San Diego. Drove it cross country 3 times. I did it. In that time, to date, the only thing I've done on this car is bought windshield wiper fluid. And I had a tire patch because I drove apparently over a screw. If you watched my previous video, I made a video about that. You can check out if you're interested. Anyways, so now is the day that I'm spending a lot of money maintenance wise for the car, and that is tire. The tires I have on my car right now are the original tires that came with. I didn't realize until recently these tires are only good for 30,000 miles, and right now I have 37,000 miles on the car. And in reality, if this car was driven as a person, it should last for about, I don't know, 4 years maybe. But I've only had the car for like a year and a half. So I'm getting new tires. And the other thing I found interesting, they're Michelin tires. I went on their website and I could not find tires, these same tires. And I found out the reason was they do not make this particular tire anymore. Right now I'm in the parking lot of Tire Kingdom, and they're going to swap out my 4 tires for new ones. And these new tires are going to be good for 50,000 miles. They will be 55,000 miles, I'm sorry. And I'll post right here a picture of a quote I got, the summary of what it's going to cost me. But these new tires are going to be 235/45R 18, size 18 tires, regular. I checked the tires. I bought, you haven't gotten one of these, get one of these things. This thing is for, if you haven't figured it out yet, to check your tread on your tires to see how much tread is still left on the tire. And it's really simple how it's used. You press this on the tire, and as you press down, this will go, it will stop at the point of where the tread is. And then you look on this thing, if you see here, it has the, that's good, that's good, that's good. Then you got the caution yellow, red means you're screwed, basically. And when I checked this a couple of days ago, I was about in the yellow, getting close to the red. So I don't know what it is today, and I don't care, because in about 30 minutes I'm going to have these tires swapped out for new ones. And in doing so, I'm expecting that my range for traveling, battery range, will improve greatly, or at least decent, because according to the owner's manual, that the lack of tread does affect your battery range. And the question is, you guys might be wondering, how much is this going to cost me? Well, after selling my kidneys and my sperm bank to donate and giving blood, it's going to cost me $1,241.27. Each tire costs, let's see, $258.99 a piece. And I'm getting 4 tires. I could have just gone with the 2 tires and then later on do another 2 tires, but I'd rather not do that. I'd rather they all be replaced at once, so I don't have to think about how much of a difference between the old and the new tires will be. But I will post, I'll take a still shot of the receipt once I get it, once the work is done, and you can read it for yourselves. Yeah. Anyways, yeah. So that's the biggest maintenance that I'm going to have done on this car, is replacing these tires. But it's very important for battery range, and more importantly, safety. I'll admit I've been a bit nervous driving around knowing these tires were getting low on.
canvas I painted. I just spent the rain day on drip I can't afford, but that's the price I pay for the memories I'm making. I've been going places, I've been shaking hands for a chance to really make it. This life is so abrasive, so I almost gave it. All this that I'm laying is